In this video, let us discuss types of writs. Supreme Court under Article 32 and High Court under Article 226 can issue writs. The writs are habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, quo warranto. The Supreme Court can issue writs only for the enforcement of fundamental rights, but High Court can issue writs not only for enforcement of fundamental rights but also for other purposes. Thus, the writ jurisdiction of Supreme Court is narrower than the writ jurisdiction of High Court. Habeas corpus. It is a Latin term which means to have body of. It is an order issued by the court to a person who has been detained by another person to produce him before the court. The court would examine if the cause and the legality of the detention, if found illegal, the court can free the person. The writ of habeas corpus is not issued when the detention is lawful. Detention is outside the jurisdiction of the court. Proceeding is for contempt of a legislature or a court. In simpler terms, the habeas corpus is issued by the court to bring the prisoner to the court and to justify their detention. It is issued against both public authorities, that is government, as well as private individuals. Mandamus. It means we command. It is a command issued by the court to public officials asking him to perform his official duties that he has failed or refused to perform. It can be issued against any public body, corporation, tribunal, inferior court, but not against private individual. Prohibition. Literally it means to forbid. It is issued by a higher court to a lower court or tribunal to prevent the latter from exceeding its jurisdiction. It can be issued only against judicial and quasi-judicial authorities. It is not available against private individuals or administrative authorities, legislative bodies, etc. Certiorari. It means certify or to be informed. It is issued by the higher court to a lower court or tribunal either to transfer a case pending with the latter to itself or to quash the order if it is found it is issued on the grounds of excess of its jurisdiction. It can be issued against judicial and quasi-judicial authorities and administrative authorities. It is not available to legislative bodies and private individuals. Quo warranto. It means by what authority or warrant. It is issued by the court to inquiry into the legality of the claim of a person to hold the public office. It refers court to examine whether the person's right to hold a public office or position. It prevents unlawful assumption of public offices. Thanks for watching this video.